Rail Friday vibes is in full effect. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad. We got a train coming. Check it out. Check it out, rail fans. Fonky Friday on the railroad. Here we go. How's that popcorn? $32.92. And a Mac second out, Big Mac. We had a loaded coal go down about 10, 15 minutes ago. Now we got an empty coal train, northbound on CSX. No horn salute by this engineer. I don't know what he was thinking. Hope he wasn't up there dozing off or something. He saw us down here. How you gonna do that to us? We're your biggest fans. I guess all train crews aren't nice. It's Fonky Friday on the railroad, folks. Say what you gotta say on here. That's what we do here. We bring it to you. We're gonna step under this underpass here, this highway underpass here. That's one of the good things about watching the street. You can kind of duck under the elements, get away from the elements. I-75 up top. We step back and we got a little protection. Protection from the elements and a little protection from the Dayton Police Department, which are like directly over this crossing and to the right. So that's the little bird on the side, the little cardinal. See that, rail fans? Check that out. Got another one and another. Okay, here comes the end of our northbound empty coal drag. You know what to do, folks. Support Rail Friday Vibes. Hit that notification bell. Share this video as the gates descend upward. Tell a friend about us, Rail Friday Vibes. We are in it to win it. Success is our goal. Peace out, folks. The rain is starting to come down just a little bit hard. God bless, folks. Take care.